A limestone manor overlooks a sapphire infinity pool and a pergola-shaded sanctuary. Sun-drenched gardens frame a fire pit lounge, where classical elegance meets modern serenity. Twilight blue descends upon a luminous deck, where string lights dance over a concrete fire pit. A cascading waterfall hums in the distance, gracing this upscale evening retreat. Golden flames flicker against a modular lounge as dusk settles over a grand estate. Palm fronds sway by the shimmering pool, reflecting a house glowing with inviting, warm light. Sunlit luxury unfolds by a roaring stone fire pit and navy-accented silks. A whimsical penguin guards the azure pool, while lush greenery whispers around a charming hidden haven. Ivy-clad walls embrace a secluded patio where a square fire pit glows with modern warmth. L-shaped comfort meets the soft hum of twilight, creating an intimate starlit escape. Cascading falls and submerged lights transform this poolside patio into a moonlit dream. String lights drape above tropical flora, leading toward a stately home atop the slope. Geometric perfection meets an endless horizon at this infinity edge sanctuary. Warm ambient light bathes the wooden deck and modern fire pit, blurring the line between sea and sky. Rolling hills frame a contemporary mansion where a concrete fire pit warms the soul. A dark blue pool mirrors the cloudy sky, embodying a lifestyle of seamless, opulent repose. Beneath a modern pergola, hanging lights illuminate a grand U-shaped lounge. Paved stone leads to a sparkling oasis and a rustic house, all framed by nature's manicured beauty. A gradient of orange and blue paints the sky above a white sectional and glowing hearth. Shimmering reflections and cinematic light turn this fenced oasis into a serene utopia. Palm shadows stretch across large stone tiles as an infinity pool meets the night. Glass walls glow from within, while flickering candles and string lights craft a magic aura. Architectural lighting highlights the lush textures of a twilight haven. A plush lounge encircles a modern hearth, reflecting golden flickers in the still, crystal-clear pool. Recessed LED glows beneath a gray sectional, casting soft light across stone paving. Fire and string lights unite, turning a sophisticated backyard into a warm, evening palace. Flickering flames and draped bulbs cast a golden spell over a silent infinity pool. Rolling hills fade into the horizon, offering a panoramic view from this velvet-soft retreat. Dramatic clouds drift over a wooden pergola and a crackling fire pit lounge. Lush landscapes and distant vistas evoke a sense of pure opulence in this hilltop poolside escape.